Hey there and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for being here. If you're new, make sure you subscribe before you leave, and if you're a returning subscriber and you haven't already, hit that little bell down below for notifications on when I put up new videos. I upload twice a week. This is a total off-the-cuff video, but something that I have been meaning to do for a couple of days now, but something I'm really excited to do. If you can't already tell, I have this giant, I mean absolutely giant box from Ikea to my right that I have to dig into. I was sitting here doing work and got an email notification that I had a package, and I can't wait to dig in. So I'm gonna dig in. I have so many things here that I've been just stalking the Ikea website for to make sure and see when they came back into stock. So let's grab a snack and get started. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it here because this is giant. This is an absolutely giant box and there's a lot of fragile stuff in it. It's also kind of already falling apart, so let's get in. Oh yes, oh my god. Okay, so oh my god, yes. Oh, this is heavy. Okay, so I got myself, accidentally, oh wow, I really didn't mean to do that. I got myself two Lazy Susans by mistake. I've been really wanting one. I didn't realize I got two. These are the bigger size. They're pretty big. I'm actually thinking now that I got two, I was gonna use one on my countertop, but now that I got two, I think I might use one like as a decorative thing, because I like that it's circular to kind of break up a lot of the hard squares that I have in my living room. And I think I might also use this in my spice drawer because I need something like this. Oh, this is really nice. It's such good quality. Hey! Oh my god, being a 33-year-old is real interesting because I'm getting super excited about owning my first Lazy Susan. I feel like this is a big moment for me, but look how beautiful she is. Yes, I'm so excited about this. This is, oh, almost hurt myself there. Okay, well, this is a wall sconce. This is the whole reason I placed this order. I wanted this wall sconce so bad. I want to replace this one that's over here. I don't know if you can even see it, or even put it in my bedroom, but I gotta be very careful. Oh, it's beautiful. I feel like the glow that's gonna come off of this is gonna be absolutely stunning. I love this. I definitely think I'm gonna change this out in my bedroom for sure. I know it's black and I don't typically have a lot of black accents, but I'm starting to like it more to break up the like lightness, to just give my apartment a little bit of contrast. But how beautiful is that? And I got two of these. They were about $25 each. That's really inexpensive for a wall sconce, especially one that looks like that. I just hope that I hope that I have light bulbs, because they didn't have the right light bulbs on the website. I like the Edison bulbs. They're just nicer and they give off a nicer glow. I also just got this because I bought myself a desk and I felt like I kind of needed something to hold a lot of my like papers and stuff. I didn't want something that was like, you know, gonna be a little bit of an eyesore, so I just got something very clean. And this was only like $11, so that was so much wrapping for just this little thing, but that's really cute. I like that a lot. I like that it's got that ceramic look because I'm going to be doing a lot of painting on my stuff to give it that ceramic look, and I want to do that trend that we've been seeing a lot of, which is taking like candlesticks and molding them. Ooh, okay, this is really cute. I know it's fake. I love real plants, and honestly, I will always love real plants, but I have a very, very dark hallway. Ooh, it kind of even has like pink elements to it. I have a very dark hallway that doesn't get any light. I figured I needed some greenery there. Why not get a fake plant to go in it? I like that it's got like pink all over it. And I don't think that this is my whole, no, this isn't my whole order. I definitely have another box still coming. I didn't get a crazy amount of stuff, but not everything is in here. And I got a cute little pot to go with it. So I feel like in my front foyer, this could actually be really cute. Now that I think about it though, I have a bunch of terracotta pots that I want to paint. I think I might actually do that instead, but this is really nice. It's not the most realistic looking thing in the world, but for it to just give me a little bit of color in my front foyer where there's no light at all, I think that's pretty nice. Oh yeah, I forgot I got these. Can I even get in? These are wall hooks. That is so stylish. I love how clean that is. Oh yeah, I forgot. I just got some little string lights. I kind of wanted to incorporate that into this like little fake garland that I have on the TV stand. As long as this is a nice warm light, it'll be fine. I like that the hardware is white. Ooh, yeah, that's perfect. I like that they're just like the tiniest little twinkle lights. That is beautiful. I'm so excited about this. Oh my god, I know you guys are probably hoping for like Ikea furniture and stuff, but I like to go to Ikea for a lot of really basic stuff. They have a lot of good prices for basic stuff. I have a frother. I didn't even check to see what batteries these take. Really hope I have them. I think it's probably just like a AA. Yeah, I think it's, yeah, AA's. This is amazing. I finally have a frother. I can make coffee for myself at home. Well, not that I haven't already, but now I can make more like fancy coffees on my own. Oh, yay. I'm so excited about this. I also got this to go on my desk, which my desk is one of those ladder desks. Like it's gonna kind of look a little bit like this, but it's gonna have an area where I can put my computer and stuff. But this is gonna be really cute again, just to kind of conceal a lot of those like necessities that I need. Maybe in the future I'll make a video styling that shelf if you guys care. Huh? What is this? I'm just a little, give me a second guys. I don't know what this is. So this is definitely supposed to go in my shower. I have no idea why it's in this cart. I have no idea why I got it. I don't believe I got it. I'm gonna double check my order and see what this is and the purpose of it. But it's just supposed to suction to my bathroom wall. Maybe I got it for my razors? I don't know. I don't know where this came from. Okay. All right, maybe I need to do a better job of checking. I also just got some batteries. There's definitely more to this order. I just didn't receive it yet. And I just got some batteries, just some good old AA batteries. I needed them. And that's everything for this one. I'm a little sad because the other order had a lamp that I really wanted to already put up in my place, but after this video is done, I'm definitely gonna install this light and put it in my bedroom because it's so cute, and I really wanna just see the glow it gives off. Anyways, that is it for this box. It's pretty big. Maybe I'll add at some point or do the second part of this. I definitely love Ikea. I definitely want to do more of these sort of videos where I'm just like opening things that I've bought for myself. Hopefully you guys like this video. I will see you guys next time though, so don't forget you can find new videos from me every Wednesday and every Sunday, and new blog posts every Tuesday and every Thursday, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.